Tronsmart launched this beast of a party speaker, and it's the most powerful of its entire brand, the Halo 300, the portable party speaker that not only plays music, but brings your favorite band directly to your living room with a thunderous power of 240 watts, which will leave you breathless. So prepare for this inevitable sonic leap. I've reviewed all the Bang models and then all the Halo models from Tronsmart. But this new Halo 300 is the largest of them all and is incredibly powerful. At only half the price of a JBL or Sony, it delivers sound quality that will surprise you. Let's watch the video. This sound monster arrives in a massive box weighing about 16 kilos but properly packaged and labeled. Tronsmart speakers have always arrived properly packaged, and this Halo 300 is no exception. Two cables are included on the top, one for auxiliary audio and the other for charging. It also includes a full color manual complete with all the functions of this new Halo 300 speaker. Once the protective foam is removed, we can remove the speaker from its box, which weighs 14 kilos and comes in a synthetic fabric bag, which will be very useful to protect it from dust when not in use. The speaker is very sturdy. It's somewhat heavy, but not so much that an adult can't carry it. I really like its design and these little wheels that make it very easy to move. The Halo 300 isn't just here to politely fill the room. It's designed to shake the floor and rattle your eardrums with a thunderous 240-watt room-shaking sound that reaches up to 111 decibels, easily filling a basketball court. It features a two-tiered retractable handle that stows discreetly inside its own carrying case, allowing it to be carried comfortably by just about anyone. With the handle extended, it practically becomes a travel suitcase which you can take anywhere or move around the party room to change its location, as these wheels make it super maneuverable and easy to transport. But before continuing, I'd like to tell you that this video is brought to you by TV Club, Gamsgo's new sister platform, but focused on other services for all channels around the world. Scan this QR code or use the link in the description to access it securely, choose your service and try it out. You can sign up for just 1 month here, so you have nothing to lose. Oh, and don't forget to add my Javix discount coupon. I'm already using it on my TV, my computer and my cell phone, and it's working great. The Halo 300 isn't just loud for the sake of loudness, it's packed with technology that really makes a difference. It boasts 240 watts of power and features its patented sound pulse technology, which intensifies the bass and treble, along with its large high-volume soundbox. Adding to its innovative design, recently awarded the Red Dot Winner 2025 is a sturdy diagonal construction that achieves precise acoustic tuning, distributing sound across a 270-degree spatial angle to cover a larger soundstage. It also integrates improved portability with sturdy wheels for smooth rolling, a hollow handle for effortless lifting, and a hidden handle for pulling. Inside this rugged beast, you'll find 2S8-inch woofers, delivering deep, impactful bass, 2S3-inch mid-range speakers, handling critical mid-range sounds, and 2S2.25-inch crisp tweeters, 6 powerful speakers, to create a wide soundstage with great sound and exceptional clarity. This is a true 2.2-channel, 3-way sound system that delivers a full stereo audio experience wherever you take it. Personally, I think it's a speaker designed for parties with very comprehensive specifications. Its price on its official website is $350, and for a few days only you can receive a free Tronsmart T7. In addition, it integrates a port with multiple connections, where it can be seen that it has 2 forms of power supply. Either to the house current or to a continuous source of 15 volts, it has 3 input ports, 1 auxiliary audio, 1 USB, and an XLR support for professional DJs. It also integrates 2 audio inputs for a microphone and for a guitar with their respective gain controls and daisy chain connection to connect more speakers in series. There are several practical and useful connections, and the USB port also doubles as a power bank. All of these connections are perfectly sealed with a large rubber cover, which seals the interior and bears the speaker's name in relief. As for the buttons and controls, they're all nicely laid out across the top, seemingly well organized and have multiple functions. Here are the microphone equalization buttons. On the right are the playback, light effects, and sync buttons for other Halo 300s. These three buttons feature pre-recorded clapping and sound animations. On the left are the Bluetooth pairing, sound pulse, and power buttons. And in the center is the volume control encoder. And these 5 LEDs indicate the battery charge. But be careful, I will not pretend that party speakers are unknown territory, since in 2025, Tronsmart enters a field full of heavyweights like Sony and JBL, which already have this type of speakers. But they cost double and triple the Halo 300. Yes, $600 and the $900 respectively. In price, they are very far from the Halo 300. But in quality, I do not think so much, since several versions have been made with speakers of these brands, and it is not that the distance in quality is that great. Sony and JBL make high-quality speakers, that's for sure and undeniable. But most of the time, they take advantage of their prestige to set high prices. In my opinion, if I have two products that do the same thing, and one of them costs twice or 3 times as much as the other, then I would expect the one that costs twice as much to have twice the quality, meaning twice as fast, twice as powerful, or twice as efficient, or twice as much of something. Because if you tell me Sony and JBL sound better, well, I'll accept it, but how much better? A little better? If the price gap is this far and the quality gap is that far, well, many aren't going to pay double or triple the price just for a little better. Furthermore, making a quality Bluetooth speaker in 2025 is no mystery to a powerhouse like China. But if you have the money to pay double or triple for something better quality, then go for a Sony or a JBL. The experience should also be very good, but at a much more exaggerated cost. The Halo 300 does not require any configuration to work, and something that I found extremely useful was this slot, which Tronsmart calls Mobile Dock and is designed to be a floor stand for mobile devices such as cell phones and tablets, thus turning this speaker into an all-in-one system. The Bluetooth connection is version 5.3, the latest generation, making pairing quick and efficient. For better control over the speaker, we recommend installing the Tronsmart app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Within the app, simply select the speaker and the device will search for and connect to it. From the app, you can control the volume, view the battery percentage, and control playback. You can also choose from several EQ presets or customize your own EQ curve. And because no party is complete without a light show, you can also choose from 5 dynamic lighting modes, which flash in sync with the music, helping to transform any gathering into a complete spectacle of sound and color. Now I'll do some tests to hear how it sounds, and I'll use this dynamic microphone to try to capture the sound in better quality.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Just me and you. Any of this mean anything to you?
The hell are you supposed to be?
I'm vengeance.
Another thing I want to test is Bluetooth range, and to do that, I'm going to get as far away as I can inside my house, which is very deep.
El jabo que se eleva. Ahí está, para la mona. Y como sabía que la mona me iba a decir algunas cosas, traje al representante de lo que la mona...
I measured about 17 meters of range and the connection remained very stable and never dropped, so the specs didn't lie.
No, van a quedar acá. Cuando haya momento león, va a levantar vuelo el león.
Finally, I wanted to test the microphone input since I have this dynamic microphone here, which came with the Halo 1 on 10. Hello. Note that the microphone's power quality is very good, and most importantly, there's no acoustic feedback, that hissing sound you hear when you put the microphone close to the speaker. Notice! There is no acoustic feedback of any kind. Therefore, this Halo 300 is a perfect companion for your karaoke nights with friends and so you can be heard throughout the neighborhood. This new Halo 300 is the largest and most powerful speaker Tronsmart has surprised us with. It works very well, the quality is more than acceptable, and the best part is that the price is very reasonable. If you buy it, you won't feel ripped off or robbed because it perfectly fulfills what it promises. Of course, there will be many who want deeper bass and will defend their favorite brands, which is fine, but for people who want a high-quality, powerful speaker and can't afford to pay too much, this Halo 300 is undoubtedly an excellent option. The Halo 300 is a beast. It does the same thing as other more expensive speakers and sometimes even performs better. I know there will be a ton of fanboys defending their brands, but they also can't deny that Tronsmart has been doing it right for a while. Guys, technology is no mystery to a power like China. Don't tell me that only Americans or Japanese think and can create quality. Today, knowledge is universal, and once the Chinese learn, they can catch up and even surpass you. If you like this video, subscribe and comment, and I send you a big hug. Help me and let's democratize technology. See you in the next video.